Greetings everyone, Raymond Lacoste here with Stormwind Studios. I am the Cisco, ITIL, and AWS instructor here, and I want to take this opportunity to give you a small little update about AWS. So AWS has decided that they are going to be updating their SysOps Administrator Associate certification exam. Now this is not new information, but definitely I thought it'd be a great time to let everybody know that later on this year, this certification exam that currently exists for AWS SysOps Administrator Associate will be retired, and there will be a new one coming out in 2021. So right now, the certification exam is still going to be based on the SOACO1 designation number, but then it's going to be updated to SOACO2 later on this year. Now, the big difference, and that's why I'm here, the big difference is the addition of labs. That's right. It says right here, for the first time, exams may include a combination of multiple choice, single answer, multiple choice, multiple answer, and exam lab items. So you will be tested on your ability to do things on this new edition of the certification exam. Let's go to the exam guide. So the first thing I want to point out about the new exam guide is that it's detailed. If you have taken any previous AWS certification exams, one of the big downfalls is that they're not detailed enough. So because they're not detailed enough, what happens is that you really don't know which services you need to prepare for. So sometimes you end up preparing for the wrong services that are not even covered on the certification exam. So now, by having all of this detail, you have the ability to really focus on what you need to cover and be prepared for on the new edition of the certification exam. So I'm really happy with that. That allows me as an instructor to put together a course that will help you be as ready as possible for this edition of the certification exam. But up here, where it says exam labs, what we want to take note of is that it says before you begin your exam, you will be notified of the number of questions in the multiple choice and multiple response section and the number of exam labs in the exam lab section. So what does that mean? It means that on this new exam, there's going to be two sections. A section for multiple choice questions and a section for lab questions. And you're going to be graded on each. You will see the percentage of your score that will be determined by your work in the exam labs. So it looks like that your lab score and your multiple choice score separated out, combined together, is your final score when it's all said and done. So you're going to have to pass both sections of the exam in order to be successful. In addition, you'll see here that it says you should plan for about 20 minutes per lab. So be able to complete each lab in 20 minutes. So the way I look at this now is if they have 3 labs on the exam, that's 3 times 20. That's already an hour. The current exam is 65 questions. They give you approximately 2 hours. So either they're going to have to extend the exam to 3 hours, or they're going to have to reduce the number of multiple choice questions. So that way it can still be a 2-hour exam. Because really, a 3-hour marathon exam is no fun at all. So we'll see what happens down the road in regards to what they're going to do about the timing, the number of multiple choice questions, as well as the lab. So until then, we really don't know. It's going to be based on our experience going forward to figure out what is going on, unless they release that information soon, which I doubt, because they don't want to tell us everything, right? So anyways, folks, just thought I'd give you an update here on what is going on in the world of AWS. We have AWS SysOps Administrator Associate being updated in 2021 to a new exam format whereby you have multiple choice questions as well as lab questions. So we are going to be updating our course here in 2021 to make sure that we give you everything you need in order to be successful, not only on the multiple choice questions, but also on those lab questions. So folks, stay tuned for more information from us here at Stormwind Studios in the world of AWS. Keep up the great work, folks, and we hope to see you in a future session with us here. Until then, take care and bye for now.